It's time to read through Renovation with Justine. The Bookstore Cat. The Bookstore Cat is an adorable cat. The Bookstore Cat is a bossy, very bossy. But cuddly cat. The Bookstore Cat is a darting cat. An excited cat. A friendly cat. The Bookstore Cat is a gorgeous cat, though, of course, he's also a humble cat. An intelligent cat and a jealous cat. Sometimes he acts like a kittenish cat, but he is always a loyal cat. The Bookstore Cat is a mysterious cat when he's not a naughty cat. He knows how to be an obedient cat or a very, very patient cat. He knows how to be an obedient cat or a very, very patient cat. The Bookstore Cat is a quick cat and a regal cat. And a sleepy, oh so sleepy cat. After a nap, he's a thirsty cat. Uh-oh, the Bookstore Cat is an underwater cat and a vocal cat. The Bookstore Cat is a waiting cat. Pounce! He's a Xenops chasing cat. The Bookstore Cat is a yucky cat. Ew. By closing time, He's a zigzag cat. The bookstore cat is all of these from A to Z, but most important of all, he is the bookstore cat. That was the bookstore cat.